Hello, I'm Josh Hawley with the Josh Hawley team, and welcome to our new listing here on Railroad Road right outside of Somerville. This farmhouse is beautiful with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, split floor plan, and located on 19 gorgeous acres. It's got a fishing pond, it's got plenty of room for the horses that are already fenced in, a 30 by 40 barn, it's got 4 stalls already in it, it's got a detached garage that they've turned into a gym, and much more. Let's go take a look around. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, or you'd like a private tour on this home or even more information, we'd love to get that to you. You can call us direct at 901-591-7556, or you can follow us online at Josh Hawley Team.